All right, welcome back. Meet Little Bundy. Right? Is that what we call it? Little Bundy?
Little Bundy.
Or Lil Bundy?
Lil.
Lil? L-I-L?
Like a rapper.
Oh yeah. Lil Bundy. All right, so today we are going to attempt to replace some oil pump parts. None of us are Volkswagen mechanics, so who knows how well this is going to go. There's a lot of pressure in here. Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean?
Alright, tell a story about how we got.
Yes, tell the story how we got Little Bundy. All the way from Yakima. In our story on how we got back.
Yeah, I pushed this to 85 miles per hour and definitely can't go that fast. Only goes top speed 65. So every 30 minutes we pulled over and we had to add oil.
Because
We overheated and all the oil
oil was spewing out everywhere.
all of it's in here.
The ambulance got peed on by a little bug.
Took us, what, 7.5 hours to make a 4-hour trip? Did that new video get uploaded?
No, it's still processing. We go check on that.
No.
It's like an hour and a half to process, and then it'll take hours to upload.
Okay.
It didn't work.
Video?
Yeah, I put
You need actual what, huh?
no, I split it, so I'm doing the second half.
After 31 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm gonna double check the hook clamp.
I don't know.
The bottom one is now.
Destroyed that old one. Alright. Note to yourselves. Buy a new one of these if you gotta
Never take it off.
take it off. Because they don't come off in one piece.
They're only $5.
You done yet?
I think that was $7.
You're using the wrong tools. Is the
He
problem.
told me to use the wrench.
I never once told you to use the wrench. I said I use the wrench to take it off.
I think that's like that. Try again. Alright,
That's it.
it's gonna take a minute because, you know. Hold it all the way open. Stop. No, don't.
Don't pump it.
You're flooded.
What?
Yes.
How'd that happen?
Because we which one you want?
So why do you want to hold it open? Don't you want to For air?
Because if you hold it open, the air gets in. If it's closed, it's like a choke collar. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, stop. Like, it has to go over at least once. Okay.
Girl, you can hold the shoulder without holding the stop.
I got it.
Let me go over there for nothing.
You're too slow.
I'm not gonna run over there.
Okay. Rotate clockwise. Okay, try now. Just keep, like you're normally going to start it. Right now. Remember when I had you mark that in?
I did mark that in.
Maybe it got moved before I gave it to you. It's 180. Alright, try it. Make it run. Still recording? Oh yeah, we're still going.
Just stay on. You let off the gas.
Is that better? Better? Hold on, don't do it. Don't do it. Alright, shut it off. The 180 out. You know what happened?
The timing got off.
Yes.
How did you know that was a great timing? It's kind of hopeful.
We tried everything else.
Yeah.
It was the only thing left. It was getting spark, it just was getting spark at the wrong time.
Yeah.
So how did it start up that first time?
Huh?
How did it start up that first time?
Probably got spark in the right hole and had enough fuel. Alright, fire up.